Hello everybody! Today we're going to be making my mom's famous beef burgers. Everything she makes is famous. Using 6 pounds of 25% fat beef and all of the spices you're going to see on the left here, which are salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and shawarma seasoning. And for all of the spices, they're going to be 1 tablespoon, except the small teaspoon is going to be for the pepper. Unless you want to make everyone's tongues burn and add a little bit more of that spice. So once we put all of our spices, you're going to pound it and mix it around inside of the bowl, making sure to incorporate all of the dry ingredients into the meat. And then we're going to weigh each of the balls out to be 4 ounces. Use another type of surface on top of your scale so that you don't get anything dirty if you want. Also, recruit a second pair of hands for help and definitely don't threaten them with anything like taking away your games or something, just to make the time go by faster. You know, because they keep you good company as well as make the whole process go faster. Anyways, you could see them here separating all of the meat and weighing it so that we can get the same shape. That was my brother, by the way. And we're going to flatten them out and place them, or kind of sandwich them in between 2 sheets of wax paper and use any sort of flattening thing. My mom bought this online, so I guess you can too, but you could really just use anything that can smush it down. But the paper is pretty essential so that the meat doesn't freeze together when we put it in the freezer for later once we're done making the ones we want to eat today on the grill. So yeah, it's just a very helpful tool if that's what you want to use. If not, it's okay, whatever you want. But make sure to go through all of these, trying to apply the same amount of pressure on each side to get relatively similar shape and size for each of your burgers. For now, we're going to stack them all up and saran wrap them for the freezer using some aluminum foil. And pro tip, buy your aluminum foil pre-cut. Definitely don't just buy a big bulk and cut it to the correct size. So you have to use more than 2 pieces because using more than 2 pieces is so much more fun and efficient. So definitely do that. And then yeah, I'm just kidding. But just put it inside your freezer very carefully. Make sure not to mess up this part because it's really easy to mess up this part, guys. That's it. Happy burgering. Bye.